and you're good to go. Who would want something like this? What are you waiting for? Run over and get these boob tapes, guys. Silicone ones that feel really good. Hi, welcome guys. It's a girl Juliana Sewell vlog, and I'm here with another review, guys. Today I'll be reviewing a Vbt Boob tape lift. Yes, guys, I received the package yesterday. Welcome, guys.
And it goes a little something like.
If it's the first time that you're coming across my channel, thank you so much for being here. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and ensure that you turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So today I'll be reviewing this package. I'm gonna be unboxing it with you guys. I haven't opened it as yet, so I'll be opening it here with you guys. Okay, this is the invoice. Okay, here it is, guys. Oh, I'm so clumsy. So there it is. So they send two, one in black and a nude color. So they're showing you how you can apply the boob tape. This is a manual, and so these, yes guys, it's a black, so you know that you may be wearing your white and you don't want it to show or anything like that. You can put this underneath. You can wear the black, and this will blend in with anything. The nude, the nude will go with anything because this is easily to be concealed. You can just put it on whichever way you want it. So I'm wearing this strapless. So I will be showing you guys how to apply the boob tape and how it look. And these are they give you 10 tape. So there it is, 10. So you can use it to hold your clothes in one position so it will not shift or anything like that. It's my first time reviewing this boob tape. This is the strip that you can place on your clothes, and for instance you want to hold it in position like this, you just stick it there and you're good to go. So come to the good part. So these supposed to go over your nipple. Yeah, so please ensure that your nipple or your skin is well clean and dry and there's no moisture around, so it will hold properly. So this is like a cotton form. You can put it, this is the hair. So this is the hair that you would put, your nipple would fall in place. And then this is the silicone one. So this one will definitely blend in. This is the silicone one, guys. You just peel it off, stick it on your boob, and then apply your tape. This feel really comfortable, guys, and it will not irritate your nipple or anything like that. So I'm gonna be applying it off camera, and then I'm gonna show you the difference with my boob. So see, my boob is a little bit fallen, so I will show you guys different outfit without the boob tape, and this is without the boob tape. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you with the boob tape. Stay tuned. So yes guys, look at that lift. Everything looking good. Lift my boob real nice, and it's feel really comfortable. It doesn't feel discomfort or anything like that. It feel really comfortable, guys. So I think you guys should run over there and get it. I'll be putting the link in my description box, so you guys can run over to their Amazon page and get it. This is a must for persons who want to wear like school, like braless. This feel comfortable. See, look at that bounce. It's feeling comfortable. If you're a person like me that like to wear these little straps, see, you're not seeing anything from the back, not seeing anything, then this is definitely for you. So this is my second dress. Yes guys, my second outfit, and it's looking good. I feel comfortable, as I said. See, there's no movement. Give a little nice little cleavage. Yeah, I'm loving this boob tape. I'm loving the vibe and the feeling of it. It feels really comfortable, and it actually lifts my boob. Lift my boob up. It did exactly what they said it would do. So I'm gonna be showing you in the next outfit. See guys, I have on the nude one underneath this outfit. You're not seeing anything. It all blend in. It all blend in, feel comfortable. My boob well lifted, feeling good, comfortable and smooth. Yes guys. So this is a plus for those that don't want to wear, you don't feel like wearing any bra. Where it's coming to the summer and you just want to feel free, you don't want to have any bra straps showing on anything like that. You know, sometimes you have on some nice little dress, but your bra the straps of your bra keep on showing. This is something for all the females that don't want to wear a bra, that don't like wearing bra like myself. So this is my new best friend. Yes, this a BB boob tape is my best friend right now, because I'll be wearing this throughout the summer in my little tube top and my little dress that I don't want to have on any bra. See, nothing showing from there, nothing. It's all comfortable. So this is one outfit with my boob tape. Okay guys, so this cute little dress, look how this boob tape bring in my cleavage. See, this feels real good, this look real good. So I don't have to be worrying about putting on a bra underneath this outfit. It just feels so free, so comfortable. I'm loving this boob tape. Oh my god. Vbt Boob tape is the best. Run over to their Amazon store and get it. I'll be putting their links in my description, and I'm going to be putting it on my Amazon storefront, guys, for you to check it out. Oh my god, this boob tape is so amazing. I'm loving this boob tape. This, look how much cleavage I have. Look at that, guys. See, I can even undo my zip a little bit down there and you won't be seeing anything. See, a close look. I have a lot of cleavage there. It gives you the cleavage, so you pull it according to all you want it. I start mine here from here underneath the plate, and then I go like that, give it a little curve, and then I apply the second layer, then the third layer to pull the boob in exactly how I want it to look in this dress. So this is one outfit. This is second outfit. Third outfit, yeah, third outfit. So I'm gonna be showing you something different. So look at that, guys. Well, see, speaking out a little bit there. See, this look really good underneath the black mesh. It's looking good. Look at the cleavage, guys. Look at that. It gives a really good cleavage. For those who like to see cleavage, I love seeing my cleavage, where I can have my necklace or anything just drop in between. So I'm loving this boob tape. This is really good. Don't worry about this little bit sticking there, guys. But the end of the day, this is a really good boob tape, and you guys should go over to their Amazon storefront and get it. I'll be putting the link in the description so that you can use the codes, guys, that you see in my video, and you will get a discount. Yes, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. So guys, this is how the boob tape look, and it come in a good amount, guys. So I pulled this pack. I haven't pulled this one as yet, so these are gonna be safe for special occasion. Yes, guys, but these boob tapes are really good quality boob tape, and these patches, the silicone patch, they are reusable, guys, reusable. So you're able to, once you finish wearing them, you just remove them, stick it back on, and you're good to go. Who would want something like this? What are you waiting for? Run over and get these boob tapes, guys. Silicone ones that feel really good and comfortable. For those who have sensitive skin, it won't irritate your skin, trust me. Okay,